Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Canaan, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Darien around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Canaan around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Norwalk around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wilton around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westport around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bridgeport and Fairfield around 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stratford around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Fairfield, Connecticut. New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, southwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bay Ridge, or over the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bensonhurst around 4:10 p.m. Flatbush and Sheep's Head Bay around 4:15 p.m. Crown Heights around 4:20 p.m. Canarsie around 4:25 p.m. Howard Beach and Ozone Park around 4:30 p.m. Jamaica and Kennedy Airport around 4:35 p.m. Woodmere and Sheddarhurst around 4:40 p.m. Valley Stream and Limerick around 4:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Irving, or near Orange, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Leominster, Fitchburg, Orange, Gardner, Athol, Winchendon, Lunenburg, Townsend, Montague, Templeton, Sterling, Westminster, Ashburnham, Hubbardston, Princeton, Ashby, Northfield, Irving, Phillipston, and Gill. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Worcester. The National Weather Service. Western Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Whoa!
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 14 miles and 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Sanesfield, or 14 miles southeast of Great Barrington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Agawam, West Springfield, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Longmeadow, Suffield, Windsor Locks, Granby, Southwick, East Granby, Parkland, Russell, Granville, Blandford, and Tolland. Repeating.
West Springfield, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Longmeadow, Suffield, Windsor Locks, Granby, Southwick.
Michael?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Hartford, Connecticut, and Hampton, Massachusetts. The radar was tracking.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 2 miles east of Rhinebeck, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impacts, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Torrington, Amenia, Sharon, Litchfield, Millerton, Falls Village, Northwest Howinton, Cornwall Bridge, Winston, Dover Plains, Howinton, Goshen, Warren, Cornwall, Smithfield, Bantam, South Norfolk, West Torrington, Torrington. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 www.facebook.com/Salmony or Twitter @Salmony. A special marine warning remains in effect until 5 p.m.
Tornado warning!
Northwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut.
Northeastern Service in Boston Morton has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Tallinn County, Northeastern Hartford County, South Central Hampton County.
Tornado warning for Northwestern Tallinn County.
At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Granby, 47 miles southwest of Agawam, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
In Boston, Norton has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Tallinn County, Northeastern Hartford County, South Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Granby, 47 miles southwest of Agawam, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 will occur. Tree damage.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a
Source, radar indicated release. Without shelter.
move to the closest
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof.
8-5.
Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Suffield around 5 p.m. May be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Lows in the mid-50s. 5 p.m. Manchester, Vernon, and gusts up to 20 miles an hour until midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, mostly sunny. 25 p.m. Manchester, Vernon, and Callington 5 miles an hour. Take cover now. Move to a basement. Then becoming mostly cloudy. Patchy fog at midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. North winds around 4 miles an hour. And protect yourself from falling debris. Thunderstorm watch number 634 has been canceled for the following county.
There it is.
again. 1029. You took a few minutes, really. Oh! Dumont, Tennessee. Don't pull 3-tone right there. Don't pull it again.
The National Weather Service in Boston, Oregon has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Collin County, northeastern Hartford County, south central Hampden County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Granby, 47 miles southwest of Agawam, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Suffield around 5 p.m. Windsor, Longmeadow, and Windsor locks around 5:10 p.m. Enfield and Somers around 5:15 p.m. East Windsor around 5:20 p.m. South Windsor around 5:25 p.m. Manchester, Vernon, and Ellington around 5:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Begin your end-of-life planning. Call 1-800.
Okay, now that was quite serious. Once again, I was not expecting that. On the fight I call off 1029. Oh, and WCCC. Wow, oh my gosh.
Warning for northwestern Lincoln County in northern Connecticut, Collin County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Hartford County,
WCCC.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Linden County in northern Connecticut, Collin County in northern Connecticut, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm located over Windsor Lock or near Enfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, and half dollar size hail. Longmeadow, Ellington, Collins, Windsor Lock. Enfield, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, Mansfield, South Windsor, Wyndham, Bloomfield, Willimantic, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Collins, Windsor Lock, Coventry, Stafford, Somers, and East Windsor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Hartford, Holland and Wyndham, and Hampden, Massachusetts.
Flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Tornado warning! Tornado warning for my county! Aw, crap. Here we go.
Northwestern Wyndham County, central Collin County, northeastern Hartford County, until 5:45 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellington or near Vernon, moving east at 25 miles. Tornado warning for northwestern Wyndham County, central Collin County, northeastern Hartford County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellington or near Vernon, moving east at 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellington or near Vernon.
Field Tower.
equipment.
In Hartford County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source. Around 5:45 p.m. Damage to roofs, windows. This dangerous storm. Protect yourself. Destroyed. If you are outdoors, is likely. Shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Use this.
Mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with
About how you.
Oh, wow.
I'm really glad. That's how you. Because, you know.
some thunderstorms may be severe. Hail and heavy rainfall. Lows in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Here we go, 1029. After this, remember, you're going to Spectrum. Or you're going to help relay for Spectrum because it's from my area. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, central Towland County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellington or near Vernon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ellington around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Vernon around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mansfield, Tolland, and Coventry around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
For my friend's house.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut: Hartford, Tolland, and Windham.
Person deserves.
Oh my gosh. So loud. Sorry. Sorry guys, that's so loud. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, central Towland County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellington or near Vernon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ellington around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Vernon around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mansfield, Tolland, and Coventry around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut: Hartford, Tolland, and Windham.
And that was another successful transmission via Tracker.
My ear's bleeding.
Good job, Charter, for fixing that.
Collin County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Coventry or near Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard:
The National Weather Service can get out of here. Brought to you by has issued a tornado warning for August east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar size hail. Offering no first round. Canton around 6:10 p.m.
At the Hartford area.
Sing again. Canton around 6:10 p.m. Scotland around 6:15 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The thunderstorm watch number 634 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Fairfield.
Oh my gosh, this is getting so close to me right now.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, central Collin County in northern Connecticut, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Coventry or near Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mansfield around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Willimantic around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Windham around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chaplin around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Canton around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Scotland around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Holland, and Windham.
Some rotate.
Got it. It never ends, this thing. I don't know why.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, central Collin County in northern Connecticut, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Coventry or near Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail.
Dang.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mansfield around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Willimantic around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wyndham around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chaplin around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hampton around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Scotland around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Holland, and Wyndham.
I covered his, we had that. I covered his ears.
I think that signature has definitely weakened.
Severe thunderstorm warning source in southwestern London County, north central New Haven County, Middlesex County, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middletown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near East Hampton around 6:10 p.m. Haddam and Lake Dakota, East Hampton around 6:15 p.m. Chester and East Haddam around 6:20 p.m. Lyme and North Lyme around 6:25 p.m. Salem and Waterford around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Protection move to an increased room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring in Waterford around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. A tornado warning. Northern Connecticut. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wyndham County, east central Town County, until 7 p.m. 10 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Chaplin, near Wyndham, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Trees were down in Mansfield from the severe thunderstorm at 6:04 p.m. Sterling, Chaplin, Hampton, Eastford, and Scotland. Repeating, a thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. In Connecticut, Holland, and Wyndham. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Occurring with this storm. Get indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.